What's going on, guys? Today we got a new video. We're going to be working on the FRS. I'm at my buddy Ryan's house. Today, we got headers, unequal length PLM, and we're going to toss them on the FRS, see what they sound like. Luckily, Ryan's got some quick jacks. We're gonna toss the car up on that. We also got some other things we're doing today. We're gonna be adjusting the coilovers, which will be in a separate video, as well as we got tail lights. So also another video. Okay, so now that we're on quick jacks, first thing we're gonna do, we have our two O2 sensors. As you can see, the white one is the one right there. Black one goes further down. We got to remove these, remove the clips, and then we're gonna go underneath the car. We're gonna remove some of this plastic tray, and then we'll have access to the headers. Okay, so with the plastic or the metal tray off, we have these two bolts here to the front pipe, and then it's gonna be hard to see, but bolt there, come to the other side. Bolt there, and then this should come out. Okay, we got the stock headers out with a sheared bolt somehow. But those are ready for our new system. All right, so we want to make sure we put the correct O2 sensor on the correct port. So this will be the first one. This will be the second one. Just crack it loose with a monkey wrench or adjustable wrench and take it off. All right, so we took the O2 sensors off, put them in the correct place. We have new gasket here, and one right there. Time to put it in. Woo! Yeah. All right, we're gonna do first startup. guys, that is going to conclude today's video for the header install. unfortunately is a little bit too quiet to what me and Em were kind of looking for. So in the next video, we're gonna go ahead and unbolt the muffler and see if that's kind of the sound that we're going for. And if it is, then we're gonna go ahead and have a custom axle back made for the FRS. And if it's not good enough, then we're gonna take out the second cat on the front pipe. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.